The United States is about an awful lot more than people who are just wearing uniforms every day. We're not out here conducting military operations. This is strictly for development of friends and to show the compassion of the United States towards those in need. What you see behind me is cooperation between the United States forces and several U.S. And world aid organizations, including the Ethiopian Disaster Planning Agency, working in cooperation to provide aid to over 200,000 displaced Ethiopians as a result of some major flooding here in the Godey region. The flooding started approximately 10 days ago, and it got progressively worse. And so far there's been over 67 deaths attributed to this flooding, and we're hoping to provide aid to prevent any further deaths. The U.S. Embassy works with the aid agencies in Ethiopia closely, and when they found out that there was a great need because of this natural disaster, they asked CJTF-HOA if we could provide some support, and of course we said yes. The operation today is delivering approximately 70,000 pounds of food and supplies to the people in this region. From here it will be transported by whatever means is actually possible. In some cases I'm certain that's going to be boat and helicopters to reach some areas that are completely isolated. We gathered the food in Diradawa and put it on a Air Force C-130, and the C-130 delivered the cargo and us to assist here this morning, and we're making several more runs throughout the day and possibly even tomorrow as more food gathering is occurring in the capital, Addis Ababa.